Hello, my name is Eric Pennell, and I'm one of the co-founders of the Ebuynee Marketplace, the new way to support Black-owned businesses. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to ultimately register your account and your profile with our marketplace, which is the first step before you can list your services and market your services to over 40 different countries. So bear with me, and I'm going to walk you through the process now. So first, you want to click on the join or login button at the top right-hand side of the screen. You want to enter in your email address. So I'm going to take some time here and enter in my credentials. This is a test site, so we're going to kind of walk through some test credentials. So we're going to put in the first email first and last name. You want to give yourself a username. So it's E3223. Put your city, state, and zip. If you're in another country, you can, of course, put in your city and your country and your location from there. Sorry about that. Put a zip code. All right. Then you can put a password in there. And simply click sign up. And this is going to take you to your profile page. You'll notice over here that you have an opportunity to put in your about me, your profile picture. Your first and last name is already pre-filled, username, your location as well. And then down below, you want to put in a pretty detailed about you. So what type of service that you're looking for. If you're expertise in videography, graphic design, web design, whatever it is, you want to put something pretty detailed in here so that any user that's looking for your service, they have a pretty good idea of what your specialty is, whether it's in one thing in particular or a variety of different things. So you have the ability to do that. Another thing at the top here, you'll notice that we've given you kind of a quick tip here that for your photo or your image to show up really clear on our platform, we'd like it to be at least 400 by 400 in dimensions. So we're going to start by putting in the image here. We'll go ahead and put in my picture. You'll see how that comes in nice and fills in really nice inside the circle, the placeholder there. You'll notice to the right here, we've got the profile strength. Now, your profile strength is kind of a guide to show you that if you fill out your profile to the max, filling in all the details, giving yourself a detailed image, filling out a detailed about you, you'll notice that your profile strength will change to all green bars here, which is what you want. So that's going to be something that really sets you apart. You can imagine there's going to be tons of different competitors that offer the same services that's going to be on the platform. And we've given you a tip here that's giving you the best opportunity to stand out amongst the other competition. So I'm just going to put here some details about myself. I have over 20 plus years of project and change management experience with I have an MBA in both management and project management. Additionally, I have over 6+ years of freelance and startup experience. My areas of specialty includes graphic and web design, business startups, I would say t-shirt mock-up design. I can also do logo design and sorry about that, and photo editing, which is truly my background. So as you notice, I have everything filled out. I've got a nice image that's filled in, got my first and last name, my username, my location, and I've put in a detailed about me section. So if you notice over here to the right, my profile strength has went all the way, all green bars, which is good because now that allows me to know that I filled out my profile to the best of my abilities and puts me in the best opportunity to stand out amongst our competition. So from there, I'm going to put save my account. And before I do that, if you ever, for whatever reason, you feel like you need to change your password or your email address, we put a placeholder or some placeholders at the bottom here that's going to allow you to do that. So you can do that under your profile section as well. So I'm going to click save my account. And we're good to go. So you'll see that I've got my username now is present on the main profile page. I'm sorry, the main index page, which is our marketplace. I have a picture that shows up here on the left. Also, a picture shows up here on the right. As I mentioned, where it says become a seller. This is the first step, which you just did, was registering your account, which now allows you to buy into the services on our platform. And then this simply would be the next step to become a buyer, which I'm going to show you in some following videos. Just to kind of highlight some things while we're here, if you need a search for a service, you can do so by typing in a keyword of a different service. So like logo design, graphic design, web design, videography, you can do so by doing that up here at the top. You can look in our marketplace, which has a list of all the different services down here as well. You can click in those individual services. You can use our headers. So we have our high-level headers, which is graphic design, writing and proofing, video and audio, tech services. You can see those at the top. But then we also have some subheadings or sub-services under each of those headings. So under graphic design, you're going to see things like logo design, social media design, t-shirt mock-ups, and the writing and proofing, resume writing. So plenty of people out there offering resume writing services, cover letter writing services, LinkedIn profile services, any of those type of offerings. We actually allow on our platform and market to over 40 different countries as well. Same thing under video and audio. Tech services that you can imagine is going to be here, WordPress services, web development, Shopify services, mobile app services. We have tons of different offerings that are going to be available on our platform. So if you are a Black-owned service, freelancer, individual entrepreneur, this is the place for you to be because we are definitely going to be revolutionizing the way for you to market your services, not just in your local area, but also across the country and the 40 different countries as well. So if you're not already registered, we definitely highly encourage you to register. By no means are we trying to create any kind of competition with Fiverr, Shopify, Freelancer, any of those other freelance services out there. What Ebuynee plans to be and what we desire to be is just an additional offering that you can put on your plate. I believe in diversification, and this is another avenue to kind of diversify how you serve more clients and ultimately earn more income for your business. So again, if you're not registered, simply go to Ebuynee, that's EBUYNEE.com, and register. Our doors are open, and we are collecting a pool of buyers and sellers and ultimately bringing all of those two parties together so they could buy from one another. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, my name is Eric. You can reach me at eric@ebuynee.com. or simply go in the chat here on the platform and reach out, and I'll be sure to reach out and answer any question you have. Hope you have a great day.